Guys, here's a Minka Aire Supra. Got into 2020 remake. Now the original globe actually broke when I was trying to take it off. And the light kit broke off too. Sadly. The light piece that goes the light bulb. So the light bulb may be a little harder to unscrew and unscrew. So here it is. So let's dim the light. I don't know if you can see reflecting the fan because of the shade. Let's turn all the lights back on. Now, I have a new way of doing this. Except for my music editions, because the speakers are hooked on the same circuit. So I turn the power off for the Christmas lights. Then I plug it in. Lights come on. Anyways, here is low. It does have a nice low speed, surprisingly. Most Minka Aire fans tend to have a fast low speed. Like, almost like fast. It's the ones I don't like, but this one surprisingly has a nice slow low speed. And that's about low. That's next speed. Medium. Light. That's why I show the light on medium speed, because I like that speed. Oh. Crap. I don't want to hit my head, but lights unplugged. Crawl into the fan so I won't hit myself. Dim the light. Here's medium. It was easier with the camera right there, but such a mess right there, so I have it right there. Plug the light back in. Off. This fan may need some cleaning, but I gotta wait till the coronavirus is done. Now, light off and high. It does wobble a little on my testing rig for some reason. One time I lost the original remote and I had to use a wall control. That's meet high. Here is spin down. Off, I say. Oh. I can't stick my hand in there. I'll reverse after it's done. Turn the speakers off so they won't disturb me. So Well, there was no YouTube Kids back when I was a kid. I think YouTube Kids is probably new this year. Probably new, like, maybe it came out like a couple years ago, I think. Can't remember what came out. Anyway, so let's reverse it. Since it's done spinning down, bearings may be getting a little rough on here, so here's low. I forgot to dim the light. Well, I'm used to those fan animation remotes. I have to stop the fan again, too. Now here is medium. Which is my speed. It's acting like this how it was when I tested the Hawkins. The light sometimes wants to flash on and off when I play with when I change the dimming level. Hope it doesn't do it again when I go to high speed. Here's high speed. There it goes again. At the point at the fan, brighten it up. This is like the Minka Aire Concept 2 at my grandparents' house. Here is plugging the lights back in. Light off, I say. Back to low. Maybe a little harder to do the music edition because this mess. Medium. I like squeezing this remote. It makes a funky sound. Here's high. Anyways, back to off. Stop the fan. Put it back and forward. See if it says. Let's check with medium. Yep, it's back and forward. Anyways, that's it. That's the Minka Aire Supra ceiling fan 2020 remake. Thanks for watching. Bye.